G'day folks, I'm going to show you how to align text in a cell. So in this cell here, Monday is down on the left hand side and it's on the bottom, so that's on the bottom left. I would like to make it into the center, so I will click in my alignment panel here. It tells me the alignment panel. Click on center and I will align it to the middle. Now I'm going to do the same thing to all these, but I will click and drag to select all of those cells. I'll align it to the middle and align it to center. I could move it to the right or to the bottom right or to the top right or the bottom left, the top left, center or back to the middle, and you can play around with that as much as you like. You can also see that because I had all those cells selected, it's changed all of those. And there we have aligned the text.